If you want to learn how to add words in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can add text to your video, customize how it looks, position it exactly where you want, and adjust the timing so it appears perfectly with your edits. Whether you're making a short for TikTok, a YouTube video, or any kind of social media content, adding words in CapCut is one of the easiest ways to make your videos more engaging and professional. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel and it means you won't miss the next editing tip. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the main menu in the top left corner. Here you'll see a tab labeled Text. Click on Text to open the text tools. This is where CapCut keeps everything related to adding words, captions, and text overlays to your video. Once the text menu opens, look for Add Text, click that option, and then you'll see a plus icon next to default text. Click the plus icon, and CapCut will instantly insert a text layer into your project. You'll now see a text box appear on your video, and at the same time, a text clip will show up on your timeline. That means your words are now officially added and ready to edit. Now that the text layer is in place, it's time to type your words. Look to the top right panel and make sure you're in the Basic tab. Inside that panel, you'll see a large text box with placeholder text already inside it. Click inside that box, delete the default placeholder words, and type whatever you want your text to say. This could be a title, a label, a call-out, a subtitle, or any other on-screen message you want viewers to read. After typing your words, the next step is to format them so they match the style of your video. Right below the text box, you'll see options for changing the font and the size. Use the font drop-down to browse different font families until you find one that fits your content. If you want something bold and attention-grabbing, choose a stronger font. If you want something clean and minimal, choose a simpler style. Then use the size slider to make your words bigger or smaller. Drag it to the right to increase the size, or drag it to the left to shrink it down. This is especially useful if your text needs to fit neatly on the screen without blocking important parts of your video. Once your words are typed and styled, you can reposition them on the screen. Go to the video preview player and click directly on the text. You should be able to drag it anywhere you want. Move it to the top, center, bottom, or off to the side, depending on your design. This is helpful if you want your words to sit above a subject, line up with an object, or stay clear of other visual elements in the frame. If you need more control, keep dragging until the placement feels right. A good rule is to make sure your text is visible, easy to read, and not covering the most important part of the video. Now let's adjust the timing. This part is really important because it controls when your words appear and disappear. Head down to the timeline and find the text track that was created when you added your text layer. On either end of that text clip, you'll see an edge you can click and drag. Click and hold the left edge or the right edge of the text track, then drag it inward or outward to change how long the words stay on screen. If you want the text to appear for a shorter moment, make the clip shorter. If you want it to stay visible longer, stretch it out. You can line it up with your audio, narration, or a specific moment in the video, so the words show at exactly the right time. This is one of the easiest ways to make your edits feel polished and intentional. Instead of text popping up too early or disappearing too fast, you can match it perfectly to what the viewer is hearing and seeing. So just to recap, the process is simple. Click text, add default text, type your words in the basic panel, choose your font and size, drag the text into position on the preview screen, and then adjust the timing on the timeline so everything matches your video. And that's how to add words in CapCut the easy way. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut guides, editing tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.